Recommends you cover your mouth to protect yourself and others from the coronavirus. Here's a pattern and instructions to make a face mask. It's difficult to keep your distance in a grocery store or pharmacy, so now the CDC says we should wear a homemade mask in public to slow the spread of the coronavirus, particularly in areas with high community transmission. Officials don't want healthy people using medical masks because of fears they would buy them all, kind of like toilet paper, and not leave them for healthcare workers. We have the answer: make your own. The masks don't need to be professional grade to help fight against COVID-19. According to recent studies, the virus can spread between people in proximity by coughing, sneezing, or even speaking. It is important to note that covering your face with a piece of cloth won't protect you. But it could help you from spreading the virus if you're like some people who lack symptoms and don't know they have it. Sewing your own mask is easy, says Jeannette Childers, who's 77 and lives in Mesa, Arizona. She's among scores of volunteers across the country sewing masks. So far, she's made 65. Materials you need to make a cloth face mask. Where to buy the materials to make masks at home. How to download a face mask pattern PDF of adult mask pattern. Note: make sure your printer is set up to print at actual size. 1. Cut material and interfacing to 12 by 9 inches. 2. Iron interfacing to material, adhesive side to back of material. 3. Once ironed, fold fabric in half with interfacing on the outside. 4. Cut 2 pieces of elastic, each 7 inches long. 5. Pin and sew 1/4 inch from edge, leaving a 2-inch gap in the center. 6. Put elastic band on each corner, inside the material, and pin to keep in place, making sure the elastic is not twisted. Pinning in center as well. 7. Using the pattern, mark locations of pleat lines and add pins on both sides. 8. Fold 3 pleats. Sew around the entire perimeter of the mask. This holds the pleats in place, and closes the 2-inch gap. All you have to do is remove the pins, test out your new mask, and head out to do your grocery shopping or wherever might make social distancing difficult.